Alright, here's this unknown hugger fan. I got this from my aunt, and yeah, it is pretty dirty. I got this back in like March. I just now actually set it up because it is a pain in the butt to make it work. It's probably gonna scrape right now. Of course. Yeah, it is filthy. I haven't gotten around to cleaning it. This glass didn't come with it. It came with like landmark type shades, but I put that on that Armitage at my grandparents' house. Listen to it. Let's see. Here's medium. I don't know what that sound is. It's either bearings or it's scraping. Or maybe it's the ground wire that I couldn't get to do anything. I don't know. Either way, it is making noise. I could put this somewhere. I don't really know where or why, because I like that there, even though it's kind of slow. If anything goes anywhere, it's gonna be that. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, I'll edit that out. Okay. It's pretty fast. It's kind of crappy fan, honestly. The light kit is like the most weird thing ever. I accidentally detached it and I don't have the patience to reattach it right now, so it's just sitting there. So yeah. Yeah, that's broken, so okay. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.